So hello, what's up guys? It's me, Victor, and welcome sa aking tech vlog number 2. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin is mag-setup tayo or mag-install tayo ng Active Directory on Windows Server 2022 Standard Evaluation using Server Core, running inside the Oracle VirtualBox machine. So for this setup, di tayo gagamit ng graphical user interface or the GUI, only the command line which is ginagamit sa mga real production server. So, without further ado, simulan na natin. So, ayun. Let's start with opening our browser and download the ISO Windows Server 2022. Ayan. And, madami siyang languages. Piliin natin itong English, United States, and the 64-bit edition. Click lang natin. For me, na-download ko na siya, kaya proceed na tayo sa next step. And then, open natin yung Oracle VirtualBox machine, which is mada-download nyo din sa browser nyo. Once na na-open na natin siya, wait lang tayo. Yan. Click nyo lang, tapos add kayo server name, tapos locate nyo kung saan naka-download yung IS na dinownload nyo. Yan. Saka na sa downloads. And then open. And uncheck lang natin to. Then finish. Sa akin, na-setup ko na siya. So, let's start it na lang. And then, when you start Windows Server 2022, it will automatically open the server configuration menu or the SCONFIG. Dito, wala na tayong pipindutin. Ito yung una natin makikita once na in-start natin siya. So, first step is to configure the static IP. Yan. Pero, let's proceed with number 8. Sa network setting kasi natin siya matatagpuan. And then, press 1. Set network adapter address, and then 192.168.1.10, and then blank lang natin 192.168.1.1. yan. Then balik lang tayo dun ulit sa number 8 kasi kailangan natin i-set up din yung DNS. Since dito nakadepende yung Active Directory natin. 192.168.1.10. Okay. Enter lang natin yon. And then, let's proceed to the next step. Punta tayo sa PowerShell. Okay, ayan. Install na natin ang Active Directory or domain services. Okay, type lang natin dito is install -windows feature space ed -domain -services space include management tools. And let's wait lang until mag-success siya. Okay. Tapos, promote natin siya sa domain controller. Install add forest. So, tapos, lagyan natin dito is school.local. Then, mag-add tayo ng password. Okay. Re-enter lang natin ang password. Then, type Y to confirm. Okay. Wait lang natin. Ayan. Okay. Kailangan natin mag-sign out. Pero dito, mag-restart to. And after that, ayan na siya. Yun. Sa SCONFIG lang din ata tayo ilalapag ito. O yun, sa SCONFIG nga. And for this, exit lang natin to verify natin yung kung nag-install ba yung Active Directory natin. Ayan. Get Windows feature ad-domain /services. Ayun. So, successfully natin siya na-installed. And then, para makita natin yung domain controller info, type lang natin to. Yun. Haba. And also ito, to confirm domain. Let's wait. Yun. And then, test lang natin yung DNS. Let's look up school.local. So, all checks should show the server is now a fully functional Active Directory domain controller. So, that's it for today's vlog. We successfully installed and verify Active Directory on server core inside Oracle VirtualBox. And also, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. Bye.